My name is Tuku Aditya Dharma and my attendance number is 34. Today I will tell a story about the lion and the hare. Once upon a time, in a lush green jungle, lived all the herbivorous animals happily and peacefully. The jungle had no tigers, or lion, or hyena, or eagles, or any carnivore whatsoever, and such all the herbivore had a jolly good time in the jungle without worrying about being attacked or hunted down. But that was soon going to change. 11. How good is the weather today? Nice and warm. And you know what that means, don't you? Giraffe. Ah, come on, man. We had it when you splashed water on us. Mouse dear. Well, speak for yourself, for I love it. As usual, the animals were having a great time, when suddenly a loud thunderous roar was heard. All the animals turned to see that on a big rock stood a fearsome lion. All the little animals ran to their parents who were also trembling in fear. Lion. Right, listen up. I come from the nearby jungle where food is scarce and resources running out, and I see that there are no lions or big cats in this jungle. As such, I am declaring myself the king of the jungle. From today, you will bow down to me. Is that understood? There was completely silence, for the animal were too scared to speak. Lion. Good. I take that as a yes. Now I can hunt for my food every day, then can create a lot of chaos around here. So, as your king, I suggest that every day my meal comes to me instead me hunting you. From today, I'm full because I had a hefty meal, but tomorrow afternoon, my meal should reach me. It can be any one of you as long as it big. Now I'm going to go for a nap dispersed. The lion left and went to a cave which he announced that was his from that day onwards. Meanwhile, a state of gloom settled over the once happy jungle. The animals were scared by the sudden storm and all of them quietly went back to their respective home. That dreaded night was long and quiet, until the elephant called for all the other animals to discuss who was to be given to the lion the next day. A much heated argument followed, for no one wanted to go to the lion. Giraffe said, "We can all flee, leave the jungle." 11. And go where? Haven't you heard the next jungle has gone barren? We can't go there, and after that, there are only mountains as far as the eye can see. We are stuck here. More arguments followed until a hare came forward. Hare, I will go. All the animals were shocked. Hare, you all have families, but I am on my own. No one will mourn my death. Let me go to him tomorrow, so that meanwhile you can prepare yourself for the coming days. Saying that, the hare left. The following afternoon, the lion came out of his cave and roared. Lion, oh, where is my meal? I am so hungry. This animal needs to be taught a lesson. The erring lion was about to set off when suddenly he spotted a rabbit approaching him. Lion. So my food is light and small. This animal will know better from tomorrow. But first, let me fill my stomach. Hare. Your Highness. Lion. How dare you arrive so late? Hare. I'm sorry, my lord. I would have reached here on time, but I was delayed by this new lion in the jungle. The lion was shocked. Another lion, he thought. Lion. I command you to tell me about this lion. Hare. This lion wanted to gobble me up, but I told him that I was already on my way to meet you. The lion laughed at me. He said that a real king hunts his prey, and that I should bow to a weak lion like you. His word, my lords, not mine. Lion say, how dare this lion insult me? Take me to him this instant. Hare. My lord, the other lion also wanted to meet you. He spared my life, so I that could deliver his message to you. He says he is the new king of the jungle. The lion was now more furious than ever. Lion, did he say lead me to that impostor? Hare, but my lord, I wouldn't suggest going after him. He is strong and he lives in fortress. Lion: I wouldn't expect a puny hare to understand pride. No one in this jungle can challenge me and live. Just lead me to this fake king of the jungle. And so the hare took the lion to the other end of the jungle, where a stone well stood in clearing. Hare: my lord, the other lion lives inside that fort. The lion climbed the wall of the well and looked down. There he saw the other lion looking back at him. The foolish lion didn't realize that he was staring at his own reflection. He gave a huge roar. The roar echoed in the walls of the well and sounded even louder. Lion says, "You are right. This fellow is very strong. His roar is mighty. But don't worry, I will finish him in a jiffy." Saying this, the lion jumped into the well and he hit his head at the well's bottom. Lion says, "What? No, I have been deceived." The lion never come out, and the hare smiled with pride. All the animals hiding behind the bush and come clapping. The hare gave them a bow. Elephant say, "Dear hare, thank you for saving us. Today you have taught that intelligence always has an upper hand compared to the physical strength." And so, the last green jungle was once again a happy place. The animals jumped with joy and danced around. And as for the little hare, he wouldn't believe it, but he went on to become the king of the jungle, and that too a very good one. That's all from me. Thank you.